Just before this audio begins, this script is written by you/sale_2_your_dreams on Reddit. Go support them any way you can, and let's get into the audio. Hello? Yeah, I hear you. Medical team and my replacement's on the way? That's great. Please tell them to be careful. The blizzard passed, but there's still a lot of snow out there. Huh? Yeah, she's still alive, but still unconscious. Yeah, she's breathing a bit irregular, but stable. Her pulse is stronger than before. Yeah, I'm keeping her warm, body to body right now. I'll hold her like this until the team arrives. I can manage. Everything's under control. We'll talk later. Thank you. Bye. They're coming. It might take a while, but they're on their way. The mountain is quiet now. The storm's gone. And you're in my arms. Just like you were all night. Holding you just as close. I can feel you breathing against my chest. Slow. A little unsteady, but there. When I found you, you were closer to death than to life. But you're alive. And you're fighting. I'm glad. It's still very cold. Not icy anymore, just cold. That's progress. You're doing great. Oh my. You're starting to shiver. That's a good sign. Your body's trying to warm itself up now. It couldn't do that before. You were too cold and too exhausted. Shivering means that your system is waking back up. I can feel the tension. And then the release. Wave after wave. Your eyes. I think you're trying to wake up. Can you hear me? Hey. Oh my. Hey. There you are. Easy. Hey, easy. I know everything's blurry right now, but you're here. Here with me. My name's Matthew. I'm a mountain rescuer. I found you last night in the blizzard. You were severely hypothermic. I kept you warm all night. No, hey, no, please. Don't move. Just stay in my arms. It wouldn't be a good idea to try to get back up yet. Your body's been through hell and back. You need rest and you need medical attention. The team is already on their way. They'll take you to a hospital as soon as they arrive, but for now, just stay here. Let me keep warming you up. Yeah. You're still shivering. I know it doesn't feel good, but it's necessary. I've got you. You feel tired? I understand that, but just hold on a little bit longer, okay? Tell me, what do you want to do when you're healthy again? You want to climb the mountain again? If you do, promise me something? go with a better guide. A better group this time, alright? People who notice right away when someone is missing. Not only once when they're back in the valley. Do you remember what happened to you? No? That's okay. Don't force it. I was just wondering. Hey, don't fade on me. You did so well. Just hold on a little bit longer, okay? Try to look at me. Focus on me. No, hey. Stay awake. That's it. Come on. You're doing great. Hey, do you hear that? They're here. Over here. I'm deep hypothermia. Unconscious when I found her. Initial pulse was barely palpable. Severe bradycardia, very slow respiration. I performed slow, active external rewarming. Body to body, insulated. She started shivering again, semi-conscious at the moment. Breathing is a bit irregular, but stable. Yeah, I can hold her. Hey, can you hear me? There you are. They're putting on the monitor on right now. They're placing electrodes on your chest to monitor your heart rhythm. They clip this into your finger to measure your oxygen saturation. And a cuff around your arm to keep an eye on your blood pressure. How is she? Everything's still low? Yeah, I figured. I agree. She needs oxygen and an IV line with warm fluids to support her system. Yeah. Give me the oxygen mask. Hey. Are you with me? Okay. I'm gonna place this over your nose and mouth now. Just breathe. Slowly. In and out. Hey, no. Shh. That was just a small pinch from the IV. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. You're getting medication and some warm fluids through it to stabilize your circulation and support your blood pressure. I know it feels strange, but it's helping you. We're getting you ready for transport. Yeah, I got her. I'm carrying you to the stretcher. You're still holding on to me. And don't worry. I won't leave your side. Let's lay you down. Easy. Okay. Here comes the thermal blanket. Okay. Now securing you just to keep you safe. How are your vitals? Stable? Thank you. Our replacement's here. And they're gonna take over now? Okay. So it looks like I am coming with you. You're still tired? That's okay. You can close your eyes and sleep a bit. We'll take care of you. You'll be back on your feet soon. I promise. Hi everyone, and thank you for listening to today's audio. And just a little note that Elila left in her script, Andre's legacy is now complete. I wrote this final part using the notes he took when we began working on part 1 in 2022. There will be no part 3. Please don't ask for it. That was the plan all along. You can also mention that Andre came up with the script idea next to me as the scriptwriter. I am infinitely grateful to everyone who brought this story to life. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. His loss still hurts me deeply to this day. But there are things in life that can't be changed. That's why it's important to look ahead and appreciate those who are by our sides. Let us carry in our hearts those who can no longer be with us and let us be grateful for the people who brighten our lives. Yeah. And thank you to my channel members, Alila DE, Sin, Astrid Lemzer, Riverwood, Wolf Rider 26, Amazi Michaela, Kidda 29, Mel Star, Psychona, Tori Hills, Angie, The Poetry Cooker Video, in parentheses, Katie, AJN, Art and Melody Audios, Red Raccoon, Freed, Anonymous, Grace Roberts, Thunder, Marlies, Amanda Gabriella, Los VDC, Stardust 76, A. Ross, Ruby Blue 0910, Andy Estrada, Mina, Vic, Ridger Karnik, Marie and Nikita Maria de Cruz, Annalisa Winterborn, Aaron Johnson, Giselle Dupuis, Headphone for Life, Serena 3120, Hi Woo 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 Woo, Megan J Music, Vivian Moon 483, Pip, Julie Arberg, Charia Kimona, Lindsay Fernanda, Hannah, Baizana Ayana, God, I'm just, oh my God, I'll never get that name correct. Layla, Vinci_P, Giovan Barube, Sugar Nokia, Emily Lu Hu 1990, Asia, and Gabby. I am sorry for mispronouncing majority of your guys' names. Stop having hard names. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.